Now I will show you how to hide and unhide folder. This is very easy, but this is very helpful. Okay, let's start. First, this is our folder. Then we need to right mouse click, then properties, then hide, apply, then OK. Automatically it will hide. Now we will unhide. How? Now we will use shortcut. As you can see here, this is our Windows logo in keyboard. Just press that one and A. Automatically it will show the Explorer. Next is View, then Options. This is folder option, then View. As you can see here, don't show hidden files, folders or drives. Now we will select this one, apply, and OK. Okay, now this is the folder which we hide. Just right click again, then properties, then unhide. Okay, this is it. Thank you and God bless.